Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick update on the Tamiya build-off project, the Blackfoot on the m02 chassis. I figured out what to do for the wheel rubbing issue, so let me show you. So I had some leftover fenders from when I did the wide body Blackfoot mod. I had kept these things, so I cut one of them to see how it would look, and it's not terrible, but wasn't quite up to my tastes, if you will. So I designed and printed another one which fit a little bit better, and then I modified that one. Wait, that's the wrong side. Then I modified that one with some spacers in that, which still wasn't quite enough, so I had to redo it again, but I painted it black just to give a better idea of how it would look. And then I had a very good idea. What do you think of that? So this is my solution. I'm going to be able to cut the inside of the fender here up until about here, and that'll give me enough room. I mean, the suspension doesn't move all that much, and it's a show truck, so it's not going to go off-roading or anything. So this again is the first print of this particular setup. I made some little adjustments. As you can see, there's a line here to make this a bit smaller. I set it up so I can fill the gap that you see here, right there. And it's currently printing, so let's have a look and see where it's at. So we got about 40 minutes left on this. It was about a 5-hour print. So once that's done printing, I'll glue it on, do some body work, and I'll get back to you with another update. See ya!